How to edit your VK email on VK app on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Once you're here, click security, and now here you will find your VK email. Click these 3 points and then click edit, and here you can edit it. Just type your new email and click save, and then go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.